right, everybody, you know where to go. Group 2, go Sunset. Group 1, go Ruins.
Hey, buffs, everybody. Throw out your buffs.
I've already gone mid.
Alright, I'm at Ruins.
Yeah, we're at Sunset. We're about to cap it.
Alright, where's the rest of the party for Ruins? I'm the only one here right now. There we go. I guess it's just because of the fast mount I have. I'm not used to it.
Okay, we are about to capture Sunset.
Alright, awesome.
We got it.
Alright, holler out.
Take forever to get anywhere.
Holler out if you get a huge group coming after you. China Star, me, Xers, and Sheb will be staying.
Tanks over here right now. Okay, we have Rex right now.
You should have 3 tanks over there.
Why are people dead?
There's only 4 of us here right now for some reason.
Where is everybody
at
Group
Sunset?
2? Group 2 should be at Sunset.
They're fighting up in the air. I got your little CK up Resby. Ollie.
Alright, well, we don't need the mid slap at the base. We're just dominating the 2 outskirts.
Yeah.
This strategy will work for a time being until everybody else starts to see it and try to adapt to it.
If you can hear me, stay in the circle and stand up. Don't fly. Don't fly. Rick Clark, can you hear me?
Alright, you got your group over there yet?
Yeah, we don't have Brule here or Slap a Badass for some reason.
Type it. Somebody type to group 2. Say
I'll
group 2 go
it.
to. Yeah. Alright, he says slap of the base. Yes, slap. You're gonna be at Sunset. Looks like the enemy team doesn't know what the fuck they're doing because they got some coming after Ruins and some going after Sunset, so they're obviously not very bright.
When we've gone against the Chinese team before, they don't seem to communicate a lot. I don't think you've got a lot to worry about.
Yeah, it's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we're fine over here.
Well, if a couple of the, tanks and healers stay at the circles, if the DPSers want to go out, let's say Shrooms stay at Ruins, Ravens stay at Sunset, tanks stay at the bases, healers stay at the bases. The rest of the DPSers,
people right now?
The rest of the DPSers can go kill. But Amadil, you have to stay close, that way you can tell if there's a lot of people coming over there or not.
All right.
You gotta relay. Actually, it looks like you got 5 coming after you right now. 6. You got 6 coming after you. We got a group coming after us. Just keep an eye on the map. You'll see the red dots. You got a big group coming to Sunset.
Yeah, I'm taking care of them. still good at sunset.
You got 3 right on the. You got 3
Those
in
are dead.
between
Guys are dead.
sunset and starry. Okay. This is kind of a relaxed run. They have so many.
That powerful mage is coming over here towards us. To sunset.
Well, if you feel like you need all your DPSers, all you got to do is just tell them to come back.
He's really strong. I saw healing button.
I can't ever see the time limit. It's overlapped where it says battle results. Does anybody see the time limit? Sunset, looks like you're getting some heat.
Hey Rexar, can you stay in the circle, please? Stand up in the circle, not fly about. You take less damage when you're standing. These people are so circular. Okay, so there's about 6 people in center right now. You can hear me?
Yep, we can hear you.
Heal.
Can I get a couple DPSers back to, nah, I guess he's gonna die soon.
Healing bot, if you can hear me, I'm gonna come over sometimes and need heals.
But Trum, you're gonna have to wait. Mine's on cooldown.
When we get to 2,500, can we go hunting?
Yeah. Alright, Trum, get down by me. I'm throwing out the buff. Alright, I guess he doesn't need it. The buff's out. Alright, go have fun, people.
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Let's get
Everybody go have fun. You guys took the center.
Yeah, people, like, I just attacked the whole group at center. They're all chasing me right now. Yeah, you can come center, Raven.
Charge!
I told
Somebody
Raven he
should
can
at
go
least-
center. He wants some kills.
Yeah, that's fine. Just as long as one person stays over there to keep the base, and then we'll just rack up the points.
Oh,
my
Soup just stole my
God.
kill.
Killing spree, people.
I don't even know where the person I'm targeting is sometimes.
Oh my god. You guys are just annihilating them right now.
Oh, double MVP? That's interesting.
Okay. One more match to go, everybody.
Troom, you're weak. You got 3 deaths. Nope, I did not go see the butterfly.
I don't know why, but it looks like we might be going against the same group. You guys hear me?
Yep.
Same strategy might not work again.
No, they don't fucking know what they're doing anyways.
Seems to be the case.
Well, I mean, regardless, even if our same strategy did not work, then at that point we would just have one base with tanks and healers, and everybody else would go assault one just to take it. If they couldn't manage, but I'm pretty sure with the way they're doing over there, they have a lot of knockbacks in Group 2 that they're doing just fine. Oh, Polymer gets back on. have the founder of China, Playboy, Packboy.
China.
Oh, China Star.
Did Tanker quit? What?
I think Dio said he might be going up against the same group.
Tanker quit the game?
Oh, really?
No,
Who
like
said
someone said Tanker quit, but I'm asking, did he quit the game or did he quit the guild? Like, what did he quit?
Who said he quit? Where? In guild chat or something?
See. Guild chat, Slapper the Bass asked, did Tanker quit?
Oh, I don't know.
Haven't seen him online in ages.
Droom says he's been offline for a week.
Yeah, so just to give you about how much, Raven was at 237 KBR when Tanker started playing. Imagine a tank at your BR, Raven.
Nice job. I'm pretty sure everybody needs your speech for the night. You got 2 minutes.
Really? You want my speech?
Do it. Do it.
Oh, but I forgot it.
Who cares what excerpt thinks?
Have you heard
Exactly.
of that one?
That one. Okay.
Gonna do it quick. Come on, Shab. Be all inspiring. You were
Alright,
supposed to
let's
clean it. Come on now.
Alright. Sons. What a Jackson. Sons of Wolves. I can't do one. Screw it. Oh.
Dio.
Sons of Wolves. Have you heard of Sheb? Yes, I have. Sheb is 7 feet tall. Well, I am Sheb. And if Sheb were here today, it's been said that she consumes men by the hundreds and destroys cities. And she shoots fireballs out of her eyes and lightning bolts out of her ass. And today I see a whole army of guildies standing here in defiance of tyranny.
Good job. Proud of you.
That's as far as I'm gonna get. I keep looking at the rest of this.
Oh, Cincinnati.
What? Did he? Oh, jeez. All right, everybody.
Can we
I'm
take
sorry
mid?
for anybody? No. We'll see how it plays out. All right. So I'm sorry for anybody who has joined us from Sin City, but the saying goes around here is we're claimed to be second best, so show them why.
Are they gonna combine servers in the future?
I'm pretty sure they will.
Okay, we got some stuff.
I
I'm not ruined. Droom's here with me.
I'm coming.
Okay, we're getting a bunch of people over here, so I need you here, Raven.
All right, everybody, group 2 should be at Sunset. Everybody at group 1 should be at Ruins. It looks like they're evenly spread out between Ruins and Sunset right now.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of people over here, but I think me and Raven killed everybody. Well, Raven did, basically. I was standing there. So I thought I was killing people, but it was Raven. Okay, they're all at mid right now.
That's perfectly fine.
Yeah, there's about 15 people there.
Not all that bright, are they?
Yeah, and there's more showing up.
At mid?
Yeah, there's about 20 people here. Feels like.
You said mid, not Sunset, right?
Yeah, mid. I'm just like near towards Sunset, but I'm just keeping track of everybody.
Right. You're looking at the map.
No, I'm there.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna feel so bad if like my sister doesn't, or something like that. I'm like, my sister's like, oh,
it's called Perfect World. It's an MMO.
Yeah, there's still 20 people there. All those names. Oh, Trump is here. Trump, let's kill everybody.
Okay, all DPSers, if they want to go to mid and get some kills, that's perfectly fine. Just keep an ear out for if our bases start to get attacked, that you move accordingly.
I have a
So go have some fun, go make us some points, get some kills. Amandil, because you're on the mic, I'm asking you to stay kind of in between so you can keep an eye on your base.
Yeah, I'm between mid and I'm in between. What is an amulet warrior?
I have no idea.
I play on my phone, Slapper. I don't know about anyone else.
I play on my phone too.
Oh, I know. Yeah. No. I'm talking about mid. I'm not talking about Pinnacle. I don't know who first was. Okay, why is Fatal at our base?
Why is what?
There was somebody camping out of our base.
I get excited buying towels and candles. Like, I'll go to Walmart Dude, I was stoked as shit when I got that. Get another towel.
This kind of sucks. There's really not much strategy to this, the way these people are
Like I did, I
lately.
was stoked as shit like that. I'm happy with the reaction. Yes. Dude, I was really happy when you got me a Steve.
Okay, we're about to take mid. We took mid.
Awesome. Just hold them out then.
Make sure he's good.
Yeah.
What does the ancient boss respawn mean?
It's a boss that you can go kill. You see where it says torch? If you were to click on torch, you can go up to like a mini boss, kill it, and then you get buffs. I can't believe I don't know what the buffs are, but I like that.
Well, that Kayla chick that showed up here today, she was talking the other day, said something about you, and she's like, you're like off the kid.
Please stop unlocking me forever, please. Okay, we still have to mid. Raven says he's okay at sunset. Yep. Okay, I hope there's people in. Oh my god, Trump just one tap somebody, I just saw that.
China Star says he's going to mid.
Alright, yeah, if you, everybody at Ruins, if you want to go to mid, I'll stay here by myself.
My mom does not have patience for kids.
Go have fun, everybody. Go kill.
I think the only reason that they've kept that dog so long is because of that.
Chub, go kill stuff. Go.
Kill shit.
Move.
And she fucking, like, she...
Nope, Sean is not here. Dude, these huge maid stuns are really annoying.
I actually got a kill, guys.
Good job.
My mom and dad, like, mom and dad is fucking like, like, if I'm invited to dinner, oh no, I'm
Half of Tom's kills were stolen.
I'm invited for dinner and, you know, do shit, like, or like the kids, like, I like doing, you know, getting the kids together and doing cutout, you know. I like baking, so I'll do cutout cookies with them.
All right, everybody. I will catch you all later.
I love that.
Like,
Good job today. We did awesomely. I will just let everybody know we are not going for a second territory this weekend. We're only going to keep our Mount Beacon because we want to make sure we have enough territory rights to go after Arcaro City. Arcaro City gives bonuses to the first guild to get it, so that's going to be our main priority. We get more benefits from having Arcaro City than any other place. So just to let everybody aware of that, okay?
I'm thinking that's the only boy.
And you should pray.
All right. Hasta la bye-bye.